This video is created for the customers who purchase Changsongsoftgel's encapsulation machine to help them to know how to use the machine. The copyright and ownership are owned by Changsongsoftgel, and anyone who uses or quotes this video without permission is subject to legal penalty. For efficient work, prepare necessary tools and materials before the work. First, let's see the procedure for assembling the V-packing inserted in the piston. If you wrongly assemble the V-packing, the drug may leak from the piston or may not be injected. Before completely tightening the vertical bolts, frequently check if the surface of the block is even with bare hands. Caution: if the surface is not checked while fastening the bolts, the slider may not be smoothly operating, and you may start this procedure again. Before the bolts are completely tightened, 1. Check if the four surfaces are even with bare hands. Tighten the piston holding ring nut. If necessary, use a rubber hammer to pound the protruded parts and smoothen the surface. While tightening a bolt using a torque wrench, move the slider to the left and right to check if the slider moves smoothly. After finishing the assembly of the block, check if the slider moves smoothly to the left and right by placing the fingers into both ends. If the movement is not smooth and you feel that something is caught inside the block, disassemble the injection pump block and reassemble it. The side surface of the block should be flat. If the side surface is not flat, use a rubber hammer to slightly hit the surface and create an in-line alignment. Finally, tighten the bolt. Turn the idle gear handle to properly place the mounted pump and allow the piston to move back and forth 3 times to the left and right. After that, secure the pump fixing bolts in 4 directions. Caution: turn the zag gear handle clockwise. Then, the gradation of the die roll on the right will go down. Or, turn the handle counterclockwise. Then, the gradation will go up, set to 10.03 degrees or higher. First, when mounting the injection pump into the machine, set the distance between the saddle and the piston to 0, which was previously set to the maximum. That is, completely turn the filling weight control knob handle to down. Then, when the desired capsule size is oval 10, and if the charge is 500 milligrams, turn the filling weight control knob to up 5 times. Next, we will set the 0 point. Turn the idle gear handle on the side of the machine. Then, the piston will completely move to the right and left. When the piston is placed to the left, Slowly turn the handle until you feel that something inside the pump is caught. The time is the 0 point. This 0 point setting should be performed several times during this process. Thus, keep in mind how the 0 point should be set. After setting the injection timing, mount the timing gear and the idle gear at the back of the machine. At this time, check if the number of the cuts of the timing gear is matched with the number on the side of the wedge and mount the gear. If the numbers do not match, capsules would not be produced properly. Now the machine is ready to produce capsules. Thank you for purchasing our molding machines. If you have any questions about our machines and their usage, contact us anytime. We will reply to you as soon as possible. We